Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can insert a image in Word document application on mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Word application on my mobile phone. I'm going to go to my Microsoft application. I'm going to select this application and I'm going to create new document. I'm going to select Word. And then I'm gonna select blank document, and for example I'm going to insert image in this Word document. If we want to insert an image, we can go to the insert menu. You can click on this arrow, and as you can see guys, now I'm in the home menu, and you can click on this option to access other menu in this Word. And since we want to insert image, we can select insert, and then we can select pictures. Okay, and here you can choose either you want to select photos from your gallery or from your device, or you can also take a picture with the camera like this. You can just take a picture or maybe scan with your camera. It's up to you, like this. Okay, and then you can added the photo before you add it to your document. You can select this option if you want to rotate it. You can also crop the photo like this. It's up to you. You can do anything with your photo, and then you can click on review and edit. Okay, and you can also add a folder to this image, and then you can click on finish. Okay, and then I'm just going to go back, and as you can see that now the image has been added to my document. Okay, and I'm going to show you how we can add picture from our gallery. I'm going to click on this option, select insert, and I'm going to select pictures and photos. Okay, and these are the photos from my gallery, and I'm just going to select one of them. Okay guys, I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, right, and then I'm going to click on review and edit, click on finish. Okay, and now it's done guys. If you want to remove the photo, you can select the wrap text. Just going to select the behind text. Okay, and you will be able to move the photo after you select the wrap text. Okay, like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to insert image in Word. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.